children of Bundelkhand are by far the worst affected by the drought in the region. They want assurance of a square meal. The midday meal scheme in schools and the Anganwadi food distribution program for preschoolers has stopped working. In part 5 of our ongoing series, What's Ailing Rural India, CNBC TV 18's Archana Shukla gets you the special report.
Children in this village of Sulkhan Kapurwa are busy collecting ber, a winter berry which has become their staple diet in these times of drought.
आप लोग क्या खाते हैं? क्या खाते हैं? बेर भाजी। हाँ? कहाँ से लेके आते हैं? हाँ से।
This village in Uttar Pradesh's Bundelkhand region has already reported 2 deaths by starvation in the last 8 months, and food stocks have already depleted. The children could usually count on the government's midday meal scheme or the Anganwadi program for at least 1 square meal a day. But now, even that safety net has vanished.
Children in this village say they don't go to school. Some of them have never been to school. Why? Because for them, feeding themselves, finding food to eat here is more important rather than traveling 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers going to the school. And secondly, they are not sure if the midday meal would be available there. क्यों नहीं जाते हैं स्कूल? हाँ?
पहले जाते रहे तो अब नहीं जाते। पेपर में खाना ने प्रधान नहीं देता था।
अच्छा।
10-20 दिन हो गए नहीं देता था, तो हम बच्चे घर के लिए, जिसका घर नहीं दूर था, तो हम नहीं आते थे।
अच्छा, ऐसा कितना दिन होता है जब नहीं देता है?
जब अभी चुनाव हुए थे तो नहीं दिया।
कितना दिन?
1 महीना।
We came upon a similar story in this primary school in Kanwara village in Banda district. While the midday meal was being served the day we visited, the children said it's been nearly 5 months since the last such meal.
आज बना रहा था।
पिछली बार और कब खाना खाए थे?
3 महीने के बाद 5 महीने।
5 महीने हो गए।
Now the school teacher claimed the situation is not that bad, but blames the panchayat elections for the disruptions.
खाना तकरीबन 1 महीने से नहीं बन रहा, इसलिए शासन के द्वारा गेहूं और चावल भेजा नहीं गया था।
अच्छा।
और यहाँ माननीय प्रधान जी के द्वारा नहीं भेजा गया था, इस वजह से खाना नहीं बन रहा।
However, when we asked him to show the register that keeps track of the midday meal scheme, he refused.
हमने लिखित कार्रवाई शासन प्रशासन को सबको अवगत करा दिया।
Roughly 80 kilometers away in Karari village, food supplies to the school have stopped, again because of the panchayat elections. But the midday meal scheme has not been disrupted because the teachers have taken matters into their own hands.
148 किलो चावल, 85 किलो गेहूँ अभी नहीं भिजवा रहे हैं। नए प्रधान बन रहे हैं तो उसके बाद फिर देखते हैं क्या समस्या होती है।
तक ये नहीं आ रहा है, तब तक आप लोग कैसे चले?
ये अपने से खरीद करके।
The bigger problem in these schools is that the Anganwadi program, which guarantees a nutritious diet to children under the age of 5, has pretty much broken down.
आंगनबाड़ी कभी कभार खुलता है, लेकिन सहायिका प्रतिदिन आती है।
तो खुलता नहीं है तो वहाँ क्या करते हैं?
सहायिका आती है, अपना पजूरी बांटती है।
Uttar Pradesh already has the highest incidence of malnutrition among children at 35%. In fact, the proportion of underweight children actually rose over the last decade. With politics taking precedence over child nutrition, this number is bound to go up, especially with the drought compounding the problem. With camera person Lalit Sen and Sunny Paswan in Bundelkhand, Archana Shukla.
Well, that's a shocking reality there in Bundelkhand. The centre today sanctioned